Enabling offline payments. Activating offline payments ensures your business can continue to accept payments, even without an internet connection. To begin, open up the Setup app on your Clover home screen. Find and tap the Payments tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Offline Payments. Select the Allow Offline Payments radio button. Below, you can also set offline payment limitations. For example, I can set my offline payment limit to not exceed $200. Once you've set up all of your offline preferences, click Save. Confirm by clicking on Continue. Action complete. Thank you very much for watching.